In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use StockCharts Moving Averages. We'll walk through where to find them on StockCharts.com, how to choose the type that fits your style, and how to set the period so the line on your chart actually helps you make sense of price action. Start by opening a chart on StockCharts.com. You can use ACP, which is the modern, interactive charting platform, or SharpCharts, which is the classic, fast-loading chart style. Either one works. Pick the symbol and time frame you want to analyze so you're looking at the market or stock that interests you. Next, open the area where moving averages live. In ACP, that's inside chart settings. In SharpCharts, you'll open overlays or indicators. The labels are slightly different between the two platforms, but the idea is the same. You're telling the chart to plot a moving average over the price. Once you're in those settings, look for the moving average types. You'll typically see simple moving average, often labeled SMA, and exponential moving average, or EMA. In ACP, if you have access to the Advanced Indicator Pack, you'll also find double exponential moving average, called DEMA, and triple exponential moving average, or TEMA. A quick refresher. An SMA is the straightforward average of the last N closing prices. It's smooth and steady, which makes trends easier to see, but also means it reacts a bit more slowly to new price moves. An EMA gives more weight to recent prices, so it adjusts faster when momentum shifts. DEMA and TEMA go a step further by reducing lag even more, which can make them feel snappier, though sometimes a bit more sensitive. After you've chosen the type, enter the period. Common choices are 20, 50, and 200. Think of the number as how many bars the average spans on your current time frame. On a daily chart, 20 is about a trading month, 50 captures a couple of months, and 200 covers roughly a year. Shorter periods track price closely and can highlight quick changes, while longer periods filter out noise and spotlight the bigger trend. If you're switching to weekly or intraday charts, remember that the period still counts bars, not calendar days, so interpret it accordingly. Confirm your selection and you'll see the moving average drawn on the chart. Give it a moment to visualize how price behaves around that line. With these settings in place, you now know exactly where to find moving averages on stock charts, how to pick between SMA, EMA, DEMA, and TEMA, and how to set a period that matches your analysis.